Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see some strengthening exercise for our upper limbs, that is shoulder, elbow and wrist. We are going to make use of a Thera band. You have seen elastic bands or elastic tubes at your workout place like gyms or even in physiotherapy sessions. So how can you use this Thera band for your strengthening purpose? First question will come into your mind, why do I have to strengthen my shoulders, or why do I have to strengthen any joint of my body? So let me explain you. Whenever you are having any pain or discomfort, that leads to weakness of your muscles. So this is like a vicious cycle. Your pain, if it is for a longer time, it will decrease your strength of muscles, and if the strength of muscle is decreased, again it will lead to pain. So this cycle will go on continuing. For example, you go to a physiotherapy session and your pain is decreased, but next goal is to strengthen those muscles wherever the pain is present. So for that, strengthening plays an important role. So in Thera band you will get a variety of colors. Okay, it depends or it differs from company to company. I will tell you in general, yellow will be the least resistance, and black, blue, grey, that will be the most resistance. So in between the colors come like first yellow, then green, red, blue, grey, like that. Okay, so when you buy a Thera band, you will get the color coding on the box. So according to that, you have to start with the least resistance Thera band. So Thera band will give you resistance. Now you will ask, I can strengthen with the dumbbells also, or a bottle filled with 1 liter water also. Yes, of course you can strengthen with that, but Thera band will provide a dynamic stability for your joints. You see, we use weight cuffs and all for the lower limbs, and Thera band for the upper limb for initial stages. Once your joints get strengthened and your dynamic stability for your particularly the shoulder joint is achieved, then we can move on to dumbbells. So Thera band is a very useful tool and which can be easily purchased for your strengthening purpose. Okay, so I will be showing you some exercises for the shoulders, elbows and wrist using a Thera band. Please do watch.
Here we start with the exercise. Measure the length of the Thera band according to one arm length and stand on one end where you have measured the length, hold the other. Now this exercise we will be doing for shoulder flexors. Okay, so do not do any movement of the wrist or elbows, only from the shoulder until you can feel the resistance of the band. Okay, this is for shoulder abductors. From sideways you will take the hand up. These exercises, this is for shoulder extensors. You're going to repeat for 10 to 12 times. This exercise is for elbow flexors. Okay, this is for elbow extensors, your triceps muscle. See, one end I have hold in the left, under the left leg, and other end is in my right hand. Okay, so this is for triceps. This is for shoulder retractors. Okay, this is going to pull your scapula back, strengthen those muscles. This is again for your retractors, also your latissimus dorsi. This will particularly strengthen your extensors of elbow, that is triceps, and your scapular retractors. This is exercise for your rotators of the shoulder. So this will strengthen your internal rotators or the medial rotators of the shoulder. This will strengthen your lateral rotators of the shoulder. Repeat all these exercises for 10 to 12 times. Now this exercise is for your wrist extensors. See, one end I have hold under my leg or feet and the other end is in my hand. Okay, so this is for radial deviators. This is for your wrist flexors.